Good morning, children. Welcome in biology class. So today we are going to start the chapter introducing biology, in which we are going to study about the different branches of biology and the different experiments which were done in biology. So children, you know that biology, it is a part of science. So we can define the science as it is an organized body of knowledge supported by observation and experimentation, which is derived from the study of natural phenomena of the entire material universe. So there are three branches of science: physics, chemistry, and biology. Biology, it is the study of living beings, plants, and animals, including humans. Nowadays, scientists prefer the term biology or the life science instead of biology in an effort to emphasize the focus of study of life processes. So biology itself means the study or science of life. The children, in our previous, or you know that in primitive time, man, they lived in jungles and caves. He collected food from natural vegetation and hunted wild animals. But with the evolution of the culture, men began to live in settled communities and started farming. He domesticated animals like dog, cows, sheep, horse, and buffaloes. Now, these practices gave him the opportunity for study of the ways and life of these animals. So, biology grew more and more. So in Aristotle, he was the first person to study animals in sufficient detail, and he called the father of biology. After that, Theophrastus, he studied on plants, and he said to be the father of botany. Hippocrates, he studied the science of healing and treating the sick, so he is called the father of medicine. Now, biology after that had flourished a great deal in ancient India, and various systems of classifying animals and plants were adopted. For example, jivas are viviparous animals who give birth to young ones, andas are oviparous animals who lay eggs, etc. Now, the first cultivation of rice was introduced in India. More than 1,000 varieties of rice had been developed. Now, with the invention of the microscope in 16th century, a new world of minute animals and plants, they came to human knowledge. So in 19th century, biology took several major leaps through the discovery of germs, wide acceptance of the theory of organic evolution, and establishment of the cell theory. Now, the latest is that scientists, they are planning to create life, some single-cell bacteria from lifeless material using fatty acids and nucleotides. Now here come branches of biology. Now it is divided into several branches. Now usually the division can be made at least in three different ways in terms of major kind of organisms. So botany, the study of plants; zoology, the study of animals; and human biology, the study of man as a living organism and the relationship with the other organisms. Now, in terms of special groups of organisms, so bacteriology, study of bacteria; virology, study of viruses; mycology, study of fungi; entomology, study of insects; ichthyology, study of fishes; herpetology, study of lizards, snakes; and ornithology, the study of birds. In terms of approach on studying, again it is divided into anatomy, morphology, histology. So anatomy is the study of gross structure of an organism, and morphology is the study of form and structure of plants and animals, and histology is the study of minute structure of tiny bits of the body as seen with the help of compound microscope. Some other branches are also here, like cytology, the study of structure and function of the cells and of plants and animals. Then physiology, the study of and function of organisms and their parts. Embryology, the study of formation and development of embryo. Taxonomy, the science of naming, grouping, and classifying plants and animals. Ecology, the study of relationship of an organism to both its living and non-living environment. Biogeography, the study of geographical distribution of plants and animals. Paleontology, the study of prehistoric forms of life through fossils of plants and animals, and different divisions are here. Now come to applied biology. So biology, it has enormous applications in other branches of science, like it forms an important part of agriculture, veterinary science, marine biology, household biology, horticulture, sericulture, and many others. So agriculture is raising crops and livestock. Veterinary science means treatment and surgery of animals. Marine biology is the study of life in the sea. Household biology is the study of household animals, insects. Horticulture is the science of and art of growing fruits, vegetables, flowers, or ornamental plants. Sericulture is technique of producing silk by raising silkworms. Pisciculture, growing of fish. Molecular biology, interpreting biology events in terms of molecules in the cell. Biotechnology, now it is the use of living cell or the microorganism in industry and technology. It includes areas such as biogas production, food processing, genetic engineering, antibiotic production, extraction of extracellular enzymes used as biodetergents in laundry, washing powders, vaccines production, antibodies production, and tissue culture, and many more. Now, cloning is a rapidly advanced branch of biotechnology which serves animals that they have been cloned, in which a body cell is used with no involvement of the male sperms. It also includes modifying crops easier to grow and improving their quality. Bioengineering, which also includes techniques like the making of artificial limbs, joints, and other parts of the body. Nuclear biology is the study of effects of radioactivity in living things, which is also called as radiation biology. Now, space biology is the study of survival problems of living things in outer space. Exobiology is one of the new sciences which contemplates to study life elsewhere in the universe. Now, genomics is the study of genomes as opposed to individual genes. It is the entire DNA sequence of an organism. Bioinformatics, management and analysis of biological information stored in databases. And biometrics, the verification of a person by certain body features such as a pattern of iris and the eye and behavioral characteristics. So let's see why this biology is important and how this biology helps us in different ways. So appreciation of nature, the world of plants and animals, they are so wide or so vast that one wonders at it. So despite the variety, biology helps us to understand the basic unity of all living things in their essential features. Keeping healthy, because biology helps us to understand the cause of many diseases. Now, conservation of natural sources, it also helps us to understand the interdependence of plants and animals. Now, biology has made both the animal and governments realize the danger of cutting down forests and the indiscriminate killing of wild animals. Growing more food, new varieties of plants and new breeds of cattle, poultry, etc. They are being developed with the knowledge of biology. Now, making us conscious citizens, biology helps us in solving problems of sanitation, public health, water supply, etc. It also makes us conscious of the need of reduce the rate of a rapid population growth. Increasing population, industries, and transports are all creating problem of pollution. Now, biology is necessary for certain careers also. There are many careers which are open to certain students of biology. One may choose to be a doctor, a dentist, a bacteriologist, a pathologist, a druggist, an entomologist, a teacher, a veterinary doctor, biotechnologist, etc. So children, this is all for today. In our next class, we'll learn about the cell. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.